Here to continue the routine, I've got my resistive band. This is our strongest FMS cord attached to the wall. I can just relax here and let my legs hang, and they just stay there. But I'm here to do some exercise, so I'm going to push up and down this way, back and forth. And I can do bicycles. I'm lacking knee flexion in the left knee from a total quadricep blowout. Post quadriceps repair, surgical repair. So I'm doing resistance to my bicycle motions, and I go backward too. Bicycle motions. I'll shorten it up just to show you different things that I can do. In and out. I can do one at a time, in and outs, of course. I can cross a bit over, back and forth. I can go lower, get a little bit of core work too. All right, do abduction. Okay, if I grab hold of one of these cords, that gives me a little extra resistance on the right side, but I'm actually working the left side. So, more resistance on the left side. And I can always assist with my right leg if I need it. Okay? Back. And in and out. Now, just by bringing my knees down like this, it's actually gives me a knee flexion stretch. All right, it's pulling my heel toward my buttock. So I feel a strong knee flexion stretch with this. Okay. Let's see on this side. Obviously this side doesn't need it as much. Watch this side. I'm getting a strong knee flexion stretch just by the way this is set up here. Okay. Of course I can go side to side this way. Incorporating my abdomen, everything else. Okay, so I'll release this here, go down this way, and it just gives me a different feel. Okay.